guys, so in today's video I'm going to be creating this look right here, and I used only Sugar makeup products to achieve this look. I absolutely love Sugar as a makeup brand. I think they have some amazing products and the brand is so underrated, but their products are such good quality and they perform so well. You can see for yourself. So some of the products that I used today, I already had them in my makeup stash, and some of them I got from Amazon at some amazing deals, at some amazing discounts. So make sure that you check out Amazon sale. They have amazing deals running on makeup, skincare, hair care, and also on fashion items. So grab all of your favorite items and fulfill all of your beauty and fashion needs on Amazon, and you'll be getting some amazing deals and discounts, and you'll be able to save on a lot of money. So yeah, with all that being said, if you want to know how I created this look right here, then please keep on watching. So firstly, I'm just gonna prep my lips using this Laneige lip sleeping mask in the variant Berry. I have this on my lips all day long, especially when I want to be wearing like a liquid matte lipstick, because it's so hydrating, it's so moisturizing, and it keeps my lips feeling super duper smooth and soft. For my base, I'm going to be using this Sugar Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer in the shade 12. And I'm using the concealer on my under eyes as well as on my lid, a little bit on my cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. I really love how good this concealer is. It is so easy to blend, it is so easy to work with, and it gives you medium coverage. I absolutely love how it's managed to cover up all of my dark circles and also highlight my face so well. To set the concealer in place, I'm going to be using this Sugar Dream Cover Mattifying Compact Powder. This is in the shade 15 Cappuccino, and this contains an SPF of 15. This is my first time using this powder, and let me just give you a first impressions on how I feel about it. Okay, so the powder is very finely milled, and when I applied it on my cheeks, I felt like my pores, the appearance of my pores has been minimized. So it's very finely milled, really easy to work with, really easy to blend, and it applies so smoothly on your skin. It just smoothens out your entire skin. That is how good the formulation is, and it's also got a decent amount of coverage. Since I wasn't wearing any foundation, I applied the powder all over my face, and I feel like it's given me sort of a nice coverage. So I absolutely love how this compact powder performed, and it also comes with a sponge applicator. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Sugar Arch Arrival eyebrow pencil in the shade 04 Felix Onyx. It's got this very unique applicator shape, and it's going to help in filling your eyebrows by creating those micro strokes, 4 strokes at a time. Okay, so honestly, I have never been able to fill in my eyebrows so quickly in just 30 seconds. I usually take anywhere around like 3 to 5 minutes to fill in my eyebrows, but with the help of this, it was just so easy and so quick to fill in my brows. The fact that you can create like 4 strokes with this at one time makes it very quick to fill in your eyebrows, and it gives you even strokes, so it gives you like a better finish. Moreover, it's like really nice and pigmented. You don't have to go in like twice and thrice to get that amount of pigment on your eyebrows. Just one stroke is enough to create natural looking eyebrows. Like, let me just give you a swatch of this. That is how pigmented it is, and those are the amount of strokes that it creates at once. It looks so natural. It's the perfect amount of pigmentation, and yeah, you can like fill in your eyebrows with a lot of precision and do them really quickly with the help of this. So I'm really impressed by how this worked. I'm done filling in my eyebrows, and I absolutely love how they look. in a very long time I've been able to find a good eyebrow product. So this is something that I'm gonna keep using very frequently because I absolutely loved it. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using this Sugar Too Good To Be True dual eyeshadow. This is in the shade 06 Chamomile and Lavender. That's the chamomile color and that's the lavender color. So I'm going to be using the chamomile color, which is a shimmer color, on my lid. I love how beautiful the shade is. It's so metallic and so reflective. I'm going to give this about 2 to 3 minutes to dry before I go in with the next shade. I'm going in with the lavender color and applying it to the outer corners of my eyes. And slowly blending it out in dabbing motions. Okay, so I absolutely love how my eyeshadow looks right now. Look at how beautifully the colors have blended together. Look at how beautiful that metallic shade looks, and also the lavender color. It's so pigmented and it's so beautiful, and overall I love how my eyeshadow look turned out. It literally took me only 5 minutes to create this eyeshadow look on both of my eyes, whereas if I had used regular powder eyeshadows, it would have taken me anywhere around like 20 to 25 minutes. But this was so easy to pull off. So I'm really impressed with this dual eyeshadow. It's pigmented, it blends beautifully, it looks so pretty, so glam on the eyes, and it's so easy and quick to work with. I think this is perfect for beginners. If you want like this kind of a glam eyeshadow look, you really need to try this out. It comes in a lot of other shades as well. With a tiny brush, I'm picking up a little bit of the lavender shade and applying it to my bottom lash line to balance it out. Okay, so I'm back with some lashes and I love how the eye makeup has turned out. Next up, to add some color back to my face, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder. This is pigmented and it's really easy to work with. It blends so well. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and contour my nose a little bit. For blush, I'm going to be using this Sugar Contour de Force Mini Blush in the shade Pink Pinnacle. This is one of my favorite blush shades. It looks so beautiful. For highlighters, I'm using one of my favorite highlighters. This is Sugar Champagne Champion Highlighter. It's such a beautiful champagne color. And lastly, to finish off the makeup look, I'm using this Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick in the shade 04 Plum Yum. This is one of my favorite nude pink colors and I think it looks so beautiful. So that's the final look and I love how the makeup turned out. You can easily pull off this makeup look for a wedding occasion, be it your own wedding or your relatives' weddings or as a wedding guest. Or you can wear it for a party, for a festival, or pretty much anywhere. It's so glam and yet it's so easy to do because all of the Sugar products that I used were so easy and quick to use. And I absolutely love the quality of them and the way they have performed. You can see the results for yourself, how amazing they are. So I highly recommend you invest in Sugar makeup products. They are available on amazing discounts on Amazon, and Amazon is also offering amazing deals and discounts on other makeup brands as well, along with skincare and hair care brands, and also on fashion products. So they have some really cool deals going on, some really amazing discounts going on. So I highly recommend you shop from Amazon for your beauty and fashion needs. You're gonna get amazing deals and you're gonna be able to save a lot of money. So yeah, make sure you shop from Amazon for your favorite fashion and beauty items. And also, if you happen to recreate this look, then do tag me on your Instagram recreations. I would love to see them. The link to my Instagram handles is mentioned in the description box below, and the links to purchase all of the products that I used in this video are also mentioned in the description box below, so you can check that out. And yeah, that was my video for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.